Hey everyone, this is Edwin with Shirt Stay Plus, and I want to thank you for visiting our YouTube channel. This is going to be a video tutorial on our Shirt Stay Plus originals. So what makes the originals different from the other styles? The originals come with 4 straps versus 2. You have 2 straps for the front, then you have 2 straps towards the back. The top clip attaches to your shirt tail, as you see here. You have the adjusters, and then you have the clips that attach to your socks. So if your straps are on your shirt, they should look something like this. Now, how do I get the straps on your shirt? You can have your shirt on, attach the straps wherever you need them, or you can lay the shirt down somewhere and adjust the straps where you want them located. What makes the originals unique is how versatile they are. You could put the straps anywhere you want on the shirt to have the shirt stay sit in a way that's comfortable for you. Now, the grip clip socks are designed specifically for our clips. And as you can see, the clips attach to that opening. You have one in the front, and you have one in the back. Do the same thing to the left side. Once your shirt stays are on, they should look something like this. Again, this is the way I like to wear them, but you could adjust these straps anywhere you want on the shirt. The right side, the same thing. You want to make sure that they're fully adjusted to have a snug fit, and this is going to ensure that your shirt stays tucked in. And again, the grip clip socks are a great addition to the Shirt Stay Plus originals. However, the clips will hold on to any socks that you wear. Hope this video helps. If you have any questions, shoot us a message, contact us, and we'll make sure to respond. Thank you once again for visiting our channel.